Hi, hello, welcome to the Trina aka Rockstar Show. I'm outside in the rain as we speak. It is raining. It is raining. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. Da 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 da. I'm singing, singing in the rain. Yes. Didn't bring my umbrella, but that's okay. Actually, it feels good. Because this morning it was hot as heck. So, yes indeed. So I'm enjoying this most rainy day ever. Yeah, my hair is wet, so what? I don't care. Oh, that's all the time we have. Ooh, thunder. Well, I'm gonna go home and dry off. Probably Jersey Shore or something. Who knows what. So tune in next time for more raining, more singing, more videos I will post on YouTube when I get the chance to. Alright, so I bid you adieu. And peace, love you. Bye bye.